Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Dear students, hope you will fine. Our today's topic is electric fuse. We know that the electric wires used in domestic wiring, they are made up of copper metal. Because copper, it is a good conductor of electricity having very low resistance. मतलब यम copper wire, electric wires which are used in our homes, they are made up of copper. हम हसा copper च आसा बन क्या क्योंकि इस copper हसा good conductor of electricity having very low resistance. For this purpose, it is used in electric wiring. Now, the copper wires chosen for household wiring, they are of such thickness as to allow a certain maximum current to pass through them. With copper wires, you must choose for household wiring and use for household wiring. Amman has each thickness as a maximum current pass. If the current passing through the wires exceeds this maximum value, agar current pass exceed maximum value hur gaye, tele hasa copper wires overheat gasa. Overheat gasan sait kya gasa kaam em sait hasa it may cause a fire. The copper wires is heated and may even cause a fire. Em sait hasa nar laga. When the current passing through the copper wires exceeds the maximum value, exceeds the maximum value, as a result copper wires, they get overheated, and this overheating, it may cause firing in electric wires. This firing an extremely large current, it can flow in domestic wiring under two conditions. The condition large current pass through the copper wires. One is under short circuiting and second is under overloading. Who shows what is an electric fuse? In order to prevent the fire in household wiring, what happens? An electric fuse is installed. Electric fuse has installed in electric circuits in order to prevent firing of domestic wiring. Nar bachan nish electric fuse has installed in the electric circuit in order to prevent the firing. In case of short circuiting or in case of overloading. Which is fuse electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device having a short length of thin tin plated copper wire having low melting point, which melts and breaks the circuit. If the current exceeds a safe value. The electric fuse is a safety device. Safety device of short length of thin plated copper wire has short thin tin plated copper wire yas varia come melting point yus melt be pat break kara circuits yel current exceed safe value. When the current exceeds the maximum value, what happens? This fuse, which is a short length of thin copper wire, it melts. As when it melts, what happens? If it melts, circuit has break. When circuit breaks, what happens? Electric supply to the electric wiring or electric circuit is cut off, switch off current. As a result, it prevents overheating of electric wires, or it prevents firing of electric wires. An electric fuse work on the heating effect of current. It कत उसूलस पे on the heating effect of current. When the electric wires they get overheated, as a result if overheated what happens, you see fuse melt, and as a result melt circuit break. When circuit gets circuit is broken, what happens, electric supply to the electric wires or to the circuit is cut off. As a result it prevents firing. The fuse for protecting our domestic wires is fitted just above main switch. यह fit main switch hirkan on the switchboard. Switchboard pet fit. A fuse wire is connected in series in the electric fuse electric fuse fuse wire connected series in the electric circuit. This is electric fuse.